Making such scrunchies are very simple. Let me show you. So basically you'll have to take a cloth which is wide enough like this and long enough to form your scrunchie. So first part is I will attach the two ends of the cloth. So measuring wise I'm showing you how broad is the cloth. And now let's begin with stitching the ends of this material. So once you stitch both the ends of this material, now here I am putting a secure stitch because it's always better so that the stitches will not open easily. I have done it both back and front, however I have cut short in the video. And that's it. Once this stitching is done, you'll have a circular kind of material like this. Then I will take a rubber band like this, which you use for your hair, and then all I have to do is this portion where I have stitched, which is popping out like this. Okay, in that I'll place that rubber band, and from one end I will push it inwards in this way, and the other end on the outwards. So I'll have one on the inner side that goes through the loop and one on the outer side, and all I have to do is the ends that I have, which I have brought on the inner side and the one left on the outer side, I will just do a thin fold because that will be my outer edge. So it has to look neat, because of which I will maintain a thin fold like this. So I will place these folds on both the ends of the material, the inner side as well as the outer side that's placed. So basically my rubber band that is there is falling in middle of the cloth. I'm using a clip to hold, not necessarily, but since it's the first time I showed y'all could use a clip or a pin to secure that fold that you have made. And then all you have to do is pull the cloth this side, that side, in this way, placing the rubber band in the middle of that material. And now we have to go ahead stitching this bit. So once you start stitching, you'll have to just do the thin folds on the sides and continue stitching. So let's begin with the stitching part. Placing those folded ends, I'm going to make my stitch. So see that you are not in a hurry because this thing needs to be worked bit by bit. So if you're going to be in a hurry, it is going to be difficult. So as and when I am placing a stitch, I am going to pull the material inside as well as outside so that the rubber band placement is exactly in the center. There. See, I'm just folding it slightly, thin folds at the end, just for it to look neat and not shabby when someone uses the scrunchie. See, it's already started forming a shape of the scrunchie, and can you see the stitched corners looking neat, right? That's because of our fold. So let's go through this video quickly. So if you see, the process that I'm doing is folding part by part on both the corners and then just placing my stitch. So in this way what will happen is your scrunchie will be secured with the stitches, as well as because of the folds it will give a pretty appearance. The trick of this is you do not need to place a hole and put the rubber band inside and twist it inside out. All that saves you from the trouble. This is just simple, the material going inside and outside of that rubber band, and you're just going to stitch the outward portion in this way. And that's it. We are almost towards the end of the stitching of the scrunchie. There, I am almost done, and that's it. Just get that off, cut off the excess thread, and my scrunchie is ready. So friends, if you all didn't understand this because of the color being black, do let me know. I'll place another quick tutorial on how to make this easy scrunchie. And if you all like this video, please do leave in your comments. I would surely want to know from y'all. For those who are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting tips. I'll see you next time.